9 things men do that make each woman melt. Sometimes modern girls believe that chivalry exists only in books or movies. But we want to assure you that it's not actually like this. There are still true gentlemen in our world. 1 in a million has no doubts that now. 1. Opening doors. A man who is not too lazy to get out of the car and open the car door for his lady is certainly attentive and well-mannered. It's very important for him to know that his lady feels safe too. Saving the last bite of food. Everyone knows that the way to a man's heart is through his stomach. No matter how corny this sounds, it's true. If a man saves 3. Spending lots of time with your family. If a man is genuinely interested in your baby pictures, funny stories about your siblings, and he chooses to spend time with your parents rather than going to play soccer with his colleagues on the weekend, you can be sure he's the one. Even small gestures toward your 4. Introducing you to everyone. A true gentleman knows for sure that if he doesn't introduce his lady when he meets a friend on the street and decides to chat with him, the poor girl will feel unwanted. An attentive man. 5. Giving presents for no reason. Today's princes don't need any special occasion to send flowers to their ladies or give them a gift. It's just that random day when, coming back from work, he notices a lovely bouquet in a shop window. Remember. 6. Always protecting you. It's one more small gesture that not every girl will notice. However, it's obvious that by choosing to walk on the outside of the sidewalk, a man is determined to protect his lady from any unexpected. 7. Kissing your forehead. If a man expresses his feelings for his loved one by tenderly kissing her forehead, this means he's very attached to her. 8. Filling up your gas tank. This is a nice surprise that demonstrates that your man is that true gentleman every woman dreams of. By doing this, a man tries to. 9. Always helping you to put on a coat. Of course, a woman can put on her coat herself, but it's not a question of ability. If you like this video, please don't forget to give us a like and also subscribe our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.